Greetings, YouTube, and welcome. This is the Silver Top Flyer coming at you from North Georgia. The name of the video is Brian Laundrie Update. Are you getting sick of hearing about this guy yet? I know I am. Somebody needs to find him, do something about him, make him answer some questions, tell everybody what he did. I'm filming today on the Moza Mini-Me. I've noticed my hands have gotten quite shaky in my old age, and I don't give you the best video that I can give you when I'm holding onto the phone. So I went ahead and broke out my gimbal, and I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you a little bit on the Moza Mini-Me. Okay, here we go. So I've been doing a little bit of research on Mr. Laundrie, and as it seems, I don't think he's up here in Appalachia, up here in the mountains up there. I think he's still in Florida, and someone's helping him. Somebody has got to know where this guy is. They got to know where he is. There's no way in this world he could ever get away that long. Either his family's helping him, or he's got another girlfriend helping him, or something of that nature. Okay, as you can see, the natives got a little bit too close to my face with their scalping attempts, and I shaved it off. Do I look at least 10 years younger? I hope so. So if you have any comments, if you see this guy, call the authorities on him. He's got a $250,000 bounty on his head. Dog the bounty hunter don't need that money. One of y'all out there need that money. I'll go ahead and link in the description below any pertinent information I may find while I'm putting together the video. Drone worship, I hope you're feeling well. I've been seeing you got a great big smile on the face. Good to hear from you, buddy. Michael McReynolds, I hope you're well. Thank you for responding to all the Charlie videos. If y'all haven't already noticed, I've been doing some experimentation with the shorts and with the algorithm. Learning a lot by doing a little bit of experimenting. I appreciate your patience and your time. This is the Silver Top Flyer, signing out.